Hi, in my video today, I'll be setting up group policy objects and their organizational units. So we'll start off in our server manager where we'll open features, group policy management, forest, domains, office, so we continue on to group policy objects. We'll see it already have two default group policy objects, but we want to create a new one. So we'll select new and we'll name this new GPO shut down access. Okay. As you can see, the new policy comes up here. So what we want to do is right click and click edit. There are a lot of options that can be selected from inside here, but I'll be going to use a configuration, policies, and administrative templates. Start menu taskbar. So what we'll be selecting inside here is the remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep, and hibernate button. It's not enabled, so we'll enable it. This tab here goes in great depth about what this piece of configuration really does. So you want to apply. Okay. So we can now come across to our server manager where we are going to link the GPO that we created to our domain, which is office.com here. And it'll ask you, do you want to link the GPOs that you have selected to the domain? Okay. As we can see here, the GPO has been linked, but it is not being enforced. So what we can do is open the command prompt. Here you can see the policies being updated. User policy has successfully. So we can now go to our client machine and as we can see here, shutdown, restart, and these buttons here are still accessible. So what we'd want to do is go to the command prompt here and run a GP update here also. So the policy can update on the client machine as well. As successfully completed. Okay. So we can close off this now. And if we go to the start menu, we will see that all the options that we had before, shutdown, hibernate, restart, are no longer available to us. And this was just a quick example of the versatility that group policy objects have. Now let's go back to our server side. What we want to do here is roles, Active Directory and domain services, users and computers, right click office, and you want to click new organizational unit. And for the name of the units, I'll put mine as OU test. This box could remain checked or unchecked. This is a tutorial anyway, but I'll uncheck it. So you can see our OU test right here. What you want to do is right click OU test and select new user. My username would be Nigel Daniel. Password. Come on, check this. We need that. And finish. What we want to do here is go in features, group policy management, forest, domains, and right click office.com. What we want to do is create a GPO in this domain and link it here. And we'll name this allow shutdown access. Okay. So now we'll go on the group policy that we just created. Allow shutdown access and edit. We'll go back to where we before administrative templates, start menu and taskbar. So we're going back to the same setting we went before, remove and prevent access to shutdown, start and sleep. Double clicking, selecting disable and apply. Okay. So what we're doing here is hold on and select our allow shutdown access and drag it to our OU test folder and link it. So what we will do here is switch over to our client machine, and we'll remember Nigel Daniel, he didn't have permission to shut down, restart, hibernate. So what I'll do now is I'll switch users. I'll log on as the user who had permission to use those functions. And that was Coleman Daniel. Okay, so here we go. So what we want to see when you go in start menu is that Luna Daniel can shut down, log off, restart. He has full functionality because we are able to the group that was allowed such access. And well, that comes to the end of my tutorial. Thank you very much.